Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear vision. And after watching the video, if you have any query, then comment in comment box. And our today topic is mind shift, breakthrough obstacles to learning and discovery your hidden potential. And basically this is the part of personal development, and in this course have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and now in this video I will discuss all week quiz solution of this course. Let's start this video. And this is the mind shift, breakthrough obstacles to learning and discover your hidden potential, and this is a week 1 quiz solution. And the quiz week 1 have 10 question. Go to view feedback, and this is a week 1 question number first, and the answer is this figure. And the question number 2 answer is flexibility and also persistence. The question number 3 answer is whether you listen to music or not, and so on, and if the music is fast and loud, A and C. And the question number 4 answer is A, this figure, and also A, this paradigm shifts in science can allow us to make enormous new gains in our creative understand of the world, this figure also answer. And the last is a former career in seemingly completely, and so on. And I can repeat again. And the question number 4 answer is A, and the C and D. And the question number 5th answer is verbally. And the question number 6th answer is B, learning for everyone and overall, then D answer. And the question number 7th answer is this is wrong, this statement is wrong, and the answer is B, C and D. And the question number 8th answer is A, everyone, even seemingly highly successful people, has failure and false starts. And the question number 9th answer is competing tight focus versus big picture needs. This is the question number 9th answer. And the question number 10th is the last question, and the answer is I don't know this answer, and if you know this answer then comment in comment box, and this is helpful for other students. Now go to the week 2 quiz solution of this course. Now week 2 quiz solution, and the quiz week 2 also have 10 question. And the first question of this week 2 is A, C, whenever you are learning anything and it seems we often learn best, and D, learning styles from a big industry. And the question number 2 answer is open monitoring and so on, types of meditation, and the focused attention types of meditation. And also a meditation can have surprisingly different effects depending on the type. And the question number 3 answer is Nobel Prize winning psychologist, A and C, a poor working memory can actually be useful, and so on. And the E, simple mental tricks can be invaluable in not only reducing stress. And the question number 4 answer is having some daily time when your mind relaxes and wanders freely, and also focused attention, this question answer. And the question number 5 answer is procrastination is a bad idea when you are trying to learn something new, and so on. And one good way to track procrastination is to decrease your impulsiveness by doing things like. And the question number 6th answer is positive question number 7th answer is conceptual understanding. And the question number 8 answer is turn off all distraction. And the question number 9th answer is wrong. The question number 10th answer is B, C and D. When you hang out and one was important in the most innovative teams. Now I will discuss week 3 quiz solution of this course, mind shift break. Go to the week 3 quiz solution, and quiz week 3 also have 10 question. And the first question answer is B, the phenomena where we are encouraged to follow our passions by well-meaning people. And the question number 2 answer is self-confident. Question number 3 answer is, this is the question number 3, and the answer is A, to become prepared for an alternate career and prepare for the possibility that your primary occupation. And the question number 4th answer is be willing to solicit and listen to valid criticism, and if you are a friend, patent or mentor of a potential, and also remain open to what is new around you, and so on. And the question number 5th answer is non-academic topics, for example working as a DJ, learning to perform magic, and also as sometimes you might find yourself blocked when you are aiming for a certain career, and so on. And the question number 6th answer is it's never as bad as you think is that at the time, and so on. And the question number 7th answer is selective ignorance. And the question number 8th answer is the interaction of many ancient neural systems such as those involving serotonin and noradrenaline complicates the search for effective treatments, and so on. And the question number 9th answer is shortcut. The question number 10th answer is young people who had switched disciplines or career. And this is the question number 10th answer, B and C. And now I will discuss week 4 quiz solution of this course. Go to the week 4. And this is the final examination of week 4 quiz solution. And if this video helped you, then please subscribe the YouTube channel. And the question number first answer is flexibility, persistence. And the question number 2 answer is this statement not selected, should not be selected. And the focused attention and scientific research on meditation is still in its infancy. And the question number 3 and the question number 4th answer is make a habit of reading plenty of books, likes Warren Buffett. And the question number 5th answer is only provide indications about what you are good at right now, and so on. And the question number 6th answer is your brain can only grow so many new neural synapses each day, and so on. A answer and B answer, the stress of an impending deadline can be uncomfortable, making it harder to learn. And the question number 7th answer is well thought out career change, whether a small shift to a different department, and so on. A and B, when making a mind shift, for example by changing career, and so on. And B, A, B and D, this is answer, this question answer if you are considering career change or even sample second skillings, and so on. And the question number 8, this is the question number 8, and the answer is D, testosterone can an average slightly delay boys verbal abilities, leading boys to believe their math abilities are better than their verbal abilities. Now question number 9th And the question number 9th answer is A and B. Getting your attention off the topic helps open up the very different diffuse mode circuits and so on. The relaxed diffuse mode is the mode that often does the background processing. And the question number 10th, this is the question number 10th, and the answer is C, can disrupt reading comprehension. And the question number 11th answer is closing your eyes to help ignore distraction. And also this answer last averting 11th question last part answer is averting your gaze to avoid overloading your working memory. And the question number 12th answer is don't. And the question number 13 answer is when we understand something through metaphor, we are putting into action the same neural circuitry we use to understand the in-depth concept itself. And also mentors can even be online nowadays. And the question number 14th, and the answer is an online ranking site such as a Class Central. And the question number 15, and the answer is 32nd. The question number 16th answer is A, imposters are those who think that the others around them are somehow better, and so on. And the question number 17th answer is distracting thoughts will sometimes arise when you are doing the Pomodoro technique. And also when you have completed the 25 minutes of Pomodoro, it's times for a reward. And the question number 18th answer is neural chunks. And the question number 19 answer is being mediocre at a lot of things, having a talent stack, and so on. A answer and B answer, hobbies also play a role in your life of learning. And the question number 20 answer is wrong. And the question number 21 answer is at many universities, especially the world elites, and so on. B and D answer of this question 21, universities are not used to competition in teaching. And the question number 22, this is the question number 22, and the answer is the big picture of social trends. And the question number 23 answer is this statement should not be selected, this is wrong statement. And the 23 answer is B, a really meaningful mind shift often just about following your passion, and so on. And B and C, people have the ability to learn and change at every age and stage and in virtual any direction. And the question number 24 answer is A, researcher Paul Ekman found 6 university expression of emotional and also for a long time emotion were considered unreliable compared with cognition, and so on. And also A, B and D. As Terry Sazonsky pointed out, can you remember the last time you got angry, and so on. B, A, B and D answer of this question. And the 25 question answer is conceptual break thoughts. This is the last question of this course, week 4 assignment, week 4 quiz solution. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any query then comment in comment box. And thanks for watching for my YouTube channel. Thank you.